We have seen an increasing number of well-funded collection agencies that buy up unpaid debt and use abusive tactics to reap large profits. Very often, debt collectors go after the wrong person, intimidate people to collect debts that have already been paid on or that have been dramatically inflated, and these debt collectors are very often unresponsive when consumers dispute the debt collector's claims. Ordinary Minnesotans are suffering because our current laws don't do enough to protect them. There's a clear need for greater consumer protection in federal law, and today I'm announcing my new bill, the End Debt Collector Abuse Act, which will update and reform the 1977 Fair Debt Collection Practices Act.
We are in discussions now with the industry trying to find some common ground. They've acknowledged that there are abuses by members of the industry, and we are trying to find a way to meet all the concerns. We don't know yet if we're going to be successful in that before session begins, but we intend to pursue this area vigorously. And it would include provisions that would provide that the person pursued by the collector is in fact the actual person that owes the money, and the amount claimed is correct and still owed at the time of the collection activity. It would ensure that the debtor knows their rights and isn't tricked into paying a debt that they don't owe or that is so old that they cannot be sued to collect it, or tricked into creating a new debt.
Debtor agency that was represented by an attorney's office under a post office box or something. They came after me for a fairly sizable debt, 4 or 5 digits, I believe. They said that I owed the debt to Wachovia Bank in particular. And when I contacted Wachovia Bank about the debt itself, they'd never heard of me. They never had any record of me, and they validated that using my Social Security number.